Welcome back. In this video, we are gonna place a second box on the beehive. Now I'm just checking for the queen. The bee boards you see that I'm lifting needs to be sorted. The boards with bee eggs and pollen needs to be on top. I am going to explain that in the next video. In that video, you can also better see what we do. The smoke we use do not harm the bees. By using it, we don't risk crushing the bees when we close the beehive or pick up the boards. Now we place some extra boards because we took half and put it in the second box. Follow along